Okay, so we've had a couple of people, after I posted pics of this, have commented on how stable it is, you know, whether it's going to work, how stable that bar's going to be. That threaded rod there, I've actually upgraded that to a 12mm just to make absolutely sure it's completely solid. So that's now 12mm as opposed to 10mm, so M12 instead of M10. And managed to put that one on the front. I'm not even sure what they call those, end bolt, but kind of looks like a little nose on the front there, which I quite like. But I just wanted to do a quick video here just to show the actual stability of this little system here, because it seems to work pretty well to me. Now, I've still not had chance, I'm hoping to later today or tomorrow, to get out and properly ride this thing. But if I, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually shake or bite, as you can see. That's basically what we're doing there. And if you look, there's really nothing much happening up there. Much as I can shake and batter and rock and roll, that thing stays pretty firm. So unless we're taking this off-road in the mountains, I would imagine that that should be now pretty decent, I would have thought. And looks nice and clean, looks nice and simple. And it's a cheap solution as well. So that little bracket down there that this is tied into, you see on the chain guard there, that is about 10.5mm. So in order to get in this M12 bar, that little bracket there had to be drilled through. So we had to drill that through and drill it out to 12mm. But other than that, it's pretty much plug and play with this. It's a fairly simple system. Mango is in complete agreement here. Yep, there you go, she's agreeing. And I don't think you should growl at everyone, mate. That's a little bit naughty. Right, that's a bit naughty. Anyway, back to this. So yeah, it seems to work. I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy now to take it out on the road, give it a test, but I don't envisage any problems there. Obviously we've got a double bar now, so we've got that second bar here which goes over, which I didn't have originally, but I decided that these corners here, they just flexed in a bit too much. This bar stops that happening. So that's 25mm, 2.5mm thick aluminium piece there. That's actually about a 40, I think I said 25 before in the post, but that's about a 40mm bar across there. Again, 2.5mm thick. So I think that seems to work. Hope it works. If anyone else tries it, hope it works. If it doesn't, don't blame me. Cheers. Bye bye.